It's a boat time.
It's a boat time to get out on the water, enjoy boating, the water, and the rest of the season. So come with me for a quick walk around tour on this 2005 Rinker 34 Express Cruiser. She's loaded with LLI, ladies like it features from stem to stern. We've got a pad, lots of room for entertainment, air conditioning, and she's neat, clean, odor-free, smells nice, just ready to go for the season. Become a good boater, enjoy this great boat here at South Mountain Yachts. So come with me for a quick tour on It's a Boat Time. Here we are, starting off forward bow. We have a nice plow anchor with a covered windlass, chrome spotlight, so she's ready to dock and moor. Coming down along the side, there's our first of many LLI features. We've got a sun pad already aboard. Just get a glass of wine and enjoy. Here we have a nice trumpet horn. We've got the curved Taylor windshield, which is nice, sexy, and sleek looking. As we come down the side, we see our Fiesta V badge right there. Lots of cockpit covering, a fore and aft bimini, and there's an enclosure. Here at the transom, we have the extended swim platform. Great place to put some additional chairs out. It's nice and wide. We've got a covered boarding ladder right there. Easy access, nice, safe step. Here at A Boat Time, we have trunk storage right there. There's our cockpit overview. We enter the vessel through this starboard door right here. We have our stereo control and a hot and cold shower right there. A big feature here is the amount of seating for entertainment. Have a lot of guests. This bench seat also has storage up underneath. We've got a nice cocktail table. It's wide open, lots of room to move about. Here at the wet bar, we have a refrigerator and an ice maker, Corian countertop, sink, and very importantly, our built-in blender right here. Great to make strawberry margaritas right there. Now moving forward, we have another LLI feature, fore and aft facing chaise seat, and again with storage up underneath. Circling around, we can see just how expansive this cockpit is with lots of space. Over here to starboard, we have a double wide helm seat for you and a companion to enjoy the day and pilot the vessel. From here, we have our helm right here. Our electronics are less than a year old. We've got GPS, chart plotter, radar, all the electronics that you need. Got a leather wood tilt steering wheel right here. Dual binnacles right here. Place for our cell phone, VHF radio, compass. We've got a nice burled wood dash. And then all of our gauges up above. We have less than 300 hours on these engines with lots of life left in them. Access to the foredeck is nice and easy. Step up, through the center windshield, and you get to enjoy that large sun pad right out there. Engine access is nice and easy. With the push of a button, activate the electric hatch. Notice you don't even have to move the table. Here we are. We've got easy access to these engines. We have twin Volvo 5.7 OXSI. This vessel has the good metal drives from Volvo. We've got our generator off in the corner. Vac-U-Flush head, new hot water heater, and by the time you watch this video, we'll have new belts and complete engine service to make it a drive-away turnkey vessel. After we do a quick inspection, with the touch of a button, down the hatch goes. We enter the cabin through this center line door and down a few steps. Immediately in front of us, we get an overview of the whole cabin. We see how deep and how nice it is. Immediately upon entering, we have our port side head right here that's loaded with LLI features. Starting off with a full-length mirror, fully lined fiberglass. Ladies, we have a separate shower right there. You can do your hair and not get the whole place wet. Easy to care for, easy to clean, and it smells good also. As we pull back, we have a galley with the Corian countertop, dual burner electric stove, good sized refrigerator here, which is neat and clean. Lots of drawer storage. And then up above, we have our built-in coffee maker, microwave, our electric power panel right there, and a glass rack right there. Great feature on this vessel is this oversized berth. 7-footers can comfortably sleep in it. We have a privacy curtain, and it's big enough for 2 people to be comfortable. We have our overhead hatch with a shade on it, gunnel storage, and then space right there for countertop. Coming down along the side, we have our entertainment center, stereo, flat screen TV, and more storage below. Moving aft, we have our U-shaped sofa with storage underneath, nice wood table, and then this also can be lowered for yet another sleeping area. Moving aft, we have a hanging locker right here. And then we have an oversized mid-cabin right here, which 2 people can very comfortably sleep in. It's full beam and probably 4 feet wide. Circling around, we have these open steps, so the vessel appears to be nice and open. About time has low hours, well powered. She's got a generator, air conditioning. She's just been buffed and waxed, turnkey, ready to go. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.